Hi, welcome to the demonstration video of photoconductivity apparatus. This experimental setup is used to study the photoconductivity of CDS in the following conditions. Applied voltage versus photocurrent at constant irradiance, photocurrent versus irradiance at constant applied voltage. Materials needed. Optical bench, adjustable mounts, for leveling the optical bench, light source powered by a 12-volt DC supply, polarizer, analyzer rotatable, light-dependent resistor LDR connected to a power supply, 0-15 volt, 200 mA, power supply for the LDR, power supply to measure the photocurrent. Setting up the experimental parts. Place the optical bench on a stable, horizontal surface, use adjustable mounts to ensure the bench is parallel to the surface, mounting the components on an optical bench, light source, secure it on an upright and place it on the optical bench. Lock the slide screw, polarizer, mounted on an upright adjacent to the light source. Lock the slide screw, analyzer, mounted on an upright adjacent to the polarizer. Lock the slide screw, LDR, mounted on an upright adjacent to the analyzer and connected to the power supply, 0-15 volt, 200 mA. Ensure that the light source, polarizer, analyzer, and LDR are all aligned along the same optical axis. Powering up the light source, connect to a 12-volt DC power supply and switch it on. Switch on the power supply connected to the LDR. First experiment is applied voltage versus photocurrent at constant luminous flux. Rotate the analyzer so that theta is equal to 0 degrees between the polarizer and analyzer. Measure photocurrent for different voltages, apply different voltages to the LDR, measure and record the photocurrent for each voltage, plot the graph of photocurrent versus applied voltage, repeat for different angles, repeat the above steps for theta is equal to 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Second experiment is luminous flux versus photocurrent at constant applied voltage. First set the constant voltage to the LDR, vary theta in steps 0 degrees, 10 degrees, 20 degrees and 90 degrees, measure and record the photocurrent for each angle, calculate the relative light intensity for each angle, plot the graph of photocurrent versus luminous flux. Repeat the above steps for different constant values of applied voltage 5 volt, 10 volt, 15 volt.